Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template along with animations, and that is how it looks. So let's start, but first be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template from free from the link in the description below, and don't forget to check out my Patreon link and my Pinterest account link as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that was all I had to ask you. So let's begin. The first thing you're gonna do is insert a rounded corner rectangle, rotate it like this, and you're gonna place it half out of the template and half inside. And you're gonna decrease its transparency, like increase its transparency weight. What you're gonna do is adjust it out of the template in this specific pattern. The next thing you're gonna do is place it right here like this, insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Select the rounded corner and then the cornered rectangle, and then you're gonna subtract it. Change its color. So let me just use some better colors. This one would be alright, but let me just check out if I can find some more color combinations that I like. This one looks amazing too, but I'm not gonna use this one. So let's use this orange one. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is insert a circle about this length, and the next thing you're gonna do is decrease its size, something like this. And here you go. Change its color if you want. Be sure to use a better color for it to be combined with the same shape. So let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D for a laptop. And there you go. We're gonna send that circle to back by increasing its size and give it a line, but no fill. We're gonna give it the same color as the color of that circle. And we're gonna duplicate it and increase its size. And we're gonna select both of them and let's just group them. And let's give this a preset, the first preset, and we're gonna like move them into the middle back to its base. Here you go. As you can see, this is how it looks. Looks amazing, right? But let's first what we're gonna do is insert a small circle, tiny circle, and we're gonna like move these outline circles onto the very out of the circle. And the next thing we're going to do is change the color of the small circle. Let's just decrease its size and move it onto here. We're going to duplicate it again and again and again about 4 times. We're going to place each of them onto the line in a specific pattern. So for now, I'm going to use this one. Here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is adjust all of the circles in a specific pattern. This is how it looks. So yeah, that's how it looks. The next thing we're gonna do is enter the text box right here onto the right side of the template. And the next thing we're gonna do is enter our text in this text box. This is gonna be the title and the header of our template. Let's increase its size so it can be clearly seen. And let's give it a bold font to make it more prominent and looking like this. Here you go, and duplicate it. And for this text box, you're gonna use it for the subtitle, and let's decrease its size because it's a subtitle and it should be like smaller in size than the title. Here you go. You're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle, place it right here, and insert a text box in it. And what you're gonna write your title, and you're gonna change its color, and you're gonna align it into the center of the rounded corner rectangle. Here you go. The next thing we're going to do is give the text some text effect, and we're going to change the color of the rectangle and the text because I want it to be clearly seen. So for the text, let me just use this off-white color and select both of them and group them by pressing Ctrl plus J and move them, like align them to the text. Select all of these orange circles and you're gonna press Ctrl plus J, and for the blue ones, you're gonna do the same. Now we're gonna give them some animation, so let's check out. This is a vibe animation that I'm gonna give to the circle, and for the uh, outline circles, just gonna give them flying animation, and be sure to set up the timing as I have done. You can slow down the video, so I have just increased the speed of the video because I don't want to waste time and I just want to make it really quick, and I'm just not making the video really long. So I just want to make it short. It's already 13 minutes. The next thing we're gonna do is this is how it looks, the preview of the template, and we're gonna give the text the fly in option from above. Duplicate this template, and the next thing you can do is like select the text. Let me just select all of the text because don't want this stuff, so let's remove them. For these circles, let them just put here. We're gonna insert a text box in which we're gonna insert a title, but let's just remove it for now because I don't really have some space. And let's insert a picture. This is a desert picture, as you can see. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna go to format shape of the rectangle, and I'm gonna insert that picture right here in it. The next thing I'm going to do is give the rectangle the same color as of the picture because I really want to the same color to make it really look suitable. The next thing we're going to do is like go to first template and change the color of the circle and the text and the rounded corner rectangle as using the eyedropper along with the picture. So be sure to use eyedropper to get a suitable color of combinations to use in your template because that just looks your template a refined look. So that was what you had to do. The next thing you're gonna do is like change the color and stuff like this. So now let's duplicate the like we're gonna insert a new slide in which we're gonna like insert this Rhombus shape and something like this. Let's put it right here and we're gonna move it into the center and the middle that it touches the bottom and the top of the template, and we're gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus drag, and that is how it looks. We're gonna like duplicate it about 3 times because we want 3 of the rhombus. Select all of them and send each of them onto the back because I want a specific pattern. You can use your own pattern if you want. The next thing we're gonna do is adjust the sizes accordingly and give the same type of spacing between them. Here you go. The next thing we're gonna do is remove all of the 3 rhombus outline, and we're gonna insert a picture onto the template. And as you can see, this is also a desert image. I'm gonna select both all of the like rectangles, and I'm gonna give them the picture by copying it and pasting it in the insert clipboard. And we're gonna increase the transparency of the images. Remove the picture because we don't need it now. Here you go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is insert a text box and adjust it like this. And insert our text, whatever we want to add, the header or the subtitle or the content text and everything. Now give the following animations of fly into the rhombus shapes. And let me just use wipe animation for these three shapes and press with previous, and for the text I'm going to use this second animation. And as you can see, these are the animations I'm going to use. Let's just use animation painter to give the same animation to all of the text. With the third slide, and we're going to insert a fourth slide, which is blank slide. We're going to copy the shape from the first template and we're going to rotate it like this and place it onto the right side of the template. Here you go. The next thing we're going to do is adjust its size, and we're going to duplicate it and change its color to darker and send the darker one to the back. Let's just change its color and send it to the back as well. We're going to duplicate it about 3 times because we want 3 shapes. Change the color of each of them into a different color, but that matches your templates. We're going to give them wipe animation from the right side. And here you go, we're gonna use animation painter to give all of them the same animation. For the text, I'm just gonna copy it and paste it from the previous slide, and this is how it looks. Here you go. The next thing I'm gonna do is change the header's color. Let's insert a picture in one of the shapes. Let me just, yeah, so this is how it looks. So that was all for today in this video, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the final result of the video, and be sure to comment down and to check the link in the description. And I really want to congratulate you because we have just hit 1000 subscribers, and I really appreciate your support and your other stuff. And be sure to keep supporting us like this and share this video with your friends and family who need to make beautiful PowerPoint templates. That's all for today. Meet you in another video soon with more amazing videos, and goodbye.